Class, today we will study about some more tools in GIMP. So as we already discussed about what is GIMP and how do we start GIMP, how we use, what are the menus we have in GIMP, and today we'll discuss about some tools we have in GIMP. So first tool we have ellipse tool, ellipse select tool, and this tool is used to select an elliptical or circular portion of an image. When we are editing any image in GIMP, we have ellipse select tool, and this tool is used to select an elliptical or circular portion. And what are the steps to select an elliptical area using ellipse select tools are: just select the ellipse select tool from tool panel in GIMP, and then you will get the all the tool option in ellipse tool. You have to set the properties are like whatever you want to the ratio, position, size. Just set the all the property, and now click and drag to draw and select the area. So this tool is very simple and very easy. Next we have free select tool and scissor select tool. So these two tools are very important in GIMP, free select tool and scissor select tool. First we'll discuss about free select tool. So why we need free select tool? This tool is used to do freehand selection. Just select the tool and then click and drag to draw shapes to be selected. In freehand selection, just click and drag to draw the shape to be selected. And now to complete the selection, we have to click back at the first point, or you can just press the enter key also. And this free selection tool, you have to select lasso tool. To use free hand selection, free selection tool features in GIMP, you have to select lasso tool. Lasso tool is the tool. With the help of lasso tool, you can just select the free area of an image. Next we have scissor select tool. So scissor select tool is used to select a region defined by strong color changes at the edge, and this tool is automatically detect the edge and select the shape. So, and for use this select scissor select tool, you have to click at various point around the edges of the shape, and when you have complete the selection, just like we come back from free select tool, you can just come back at the first point or press the enter key after completion the selection. Next we have color selection tool. So in color selection tool, you will find two options there, fuzzy selection and select by color tool. First you will get fuzzy selection tool. This tool is used to select adjacent area of an image based on color value. So fuzzy selection tool is used to select adjacent area of an image based on color value, and then select the tool and click on the color to select. Next options we have select by color tool. This tool is used to select area of an image based on color values in the whole image. Just select the tool and click on the color to select. And when you select the whole image, select by color tool, just use these options and fill the colors in GIMP editing tool. Next tool we have move tool and bucket fill tool. So some more tools in GIMP. First we have move tool. Move tool is used to move the selected area from one position to another. So when we use move tool, this tool is used to move the selected area from one position to another. Just select this tool and click and drag to move the selected area of selected image on in GIMP. Next we have bucket fill tool. So in bucket fill tool, this tool is used to fill the selected portion of the drawing or image with foreground color. If you want to fill with background color, just press Ctrl key and then click inside the selected portion. So you can just set foreground color, background color or pattern also in bucket fill tool. So what are the steps to use bucket fill tool? Just select the portion of the image and then click on bucket fill tool from tool panel in GIMP, and from there you can select foreground color, background color or pattern, and then click inside the shape to fill and click inside the selected area to fill. So these are the steps you have to follow to use this bucket fill tool. Next we have okay, so these are some screenshot from move tool and bucket fill tool. Next we have text tool. This tool is used to write text into an image. So with the help of text tool you can insert text into an image, and the steps to use text tool are: just select the text tool from tool panel in GIMP and then select desired color of the font. You can select the font and font size also, and when you set the all the property, and now just click in the document and type the text. So in this way you can insert text to the image.